Namaste. In this video, I'm going to cover what is Nadi Shodhana, importance of Nadi Shodhana, posture and gesture, stages of the practice, what are the contraindications, what are the benefits, time and duration of the practice, and also very importantly at the last, I'm giving you some important tips about Nadi Shodhana which you might have never heard about it before. So stay tuned until the end. Nadi means energy channel and Shodhana means to purify or to cleanse. As per Garanda Samhita, one of the classical Hatha Yoga text, it says, Prana does not enter the Nadis as long as they are full of impurities. How can Prana enter when there is impurities in the Nadis? Therefore, Nadi should be purified first and then go for practicing pranayama. Swami Shivananda says, this verily one pranayama is more than enough to go deeper into the stage of meditation, and also we can go until the stage of samadhi. So that's the power of Nadi Shodhana. Before you begin the practice of pranayama, you must master this technique. There are 4 postures which you can adopt while practicing this Nadi Shodhana. The one is Sukhasana. Second one is variation of Siddhasana. Third one is Ardha Padmasana, half lotus posture. And the fourth one is Vajrasana, diamond pose. Again, if anybody has any issues with the knees, please do not try this. And for advanced practitioners, you can adopt full lotus posture, that is called Padmasana. And the hand gesture is, it's called Nasikagra Mudra or Nasagra Mudra. Both are same. The technique is simple. Your middle finger, index finger goes between the eyebrow center. Your right thumb controls your right nostril. Little finger, ring finger controls your left nostril. And the variation of this is just bend your middle finger, index finger and continue the practice by controlling your nostrils. And there's one more easy variation, that is use your thumb and your ring finger to switch between your nostrils. And one more thing, if you're getting any shoulder pain in between practicing Nadi Shodhana, do not change your hands, do not stop the practice. Just take the help of your left hand and support your right elbow and continue the practice. There are 4 times which are mentioned in the scriptures as per Shiva Samhita also. You can practice pranayama early in the morning, noon, that is midday, or in the evening time, that is sunset time, or you can practice in the midnight. And the duration are, initially for newbies, start with 1 set which includes 6 to 9 rounds of Nadi Shodhana, or you can go gradually increase by practicing 3 sets which consist of 9, 9 and 9. So do anything which is multiples of 9 will be good. The stages of the practice are, so here I'm going to discuss about 4 stages. One is for newbie, one is for beginner, one is for intermediate practitioners and one is for advanced. Let us see what are the techniques are there for newbies. You need to just close your right nostril completely and start inhaling deeply through your left nostril and completely exhale through your left nostril. Only through your left. This is also called as Chandra Anuloma Viloma. With the same hand gesture, close your left nostril, open your right nostril, inhale deeply and exhale continuously through your right. This is also called as Surya Anuloma Viloma. Here, close the right nostril, inhale deeply through the left nostril, exhale through the right nostril. Again close the right, inhale through the left, exhale through the right. So it's just one way breathing, from inhaling left, exhaling through the right. There is no other way. So this is also called as Chandra Bhedana. And the opposite of this is called Surya Bhedana, where you're going to start by closing the left nostril, inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Again close the left, open the right, inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Now let us see what are the techniques for beginners. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Start inhaling deeply through your left nostril. Close your left, open your right, exhale through your right nostril. Again start taking inhalation through your right nostril. Close your right, open your left, exhale through your left nostril. Just breathe as comfortably as possible from your side. Keep in your mind that we always start by left nostril and we end by left nostril. Variation 2. The technique will be the same. Here you're going to count your breath. Say for example, now you can start counting your breath like this. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, inhale from the right 5, exhale from the left 5. Take any equal numbers. Inhalation is equal to exhalation. So it has to be 1:1. The variation 3 comes where you're going to increase the ratio of exhalation. Here we are going to do 1:2. What that means, 1:2? Suppose if you're taking the counts of inhalation 5, you're exhaling for the counts of 10. That means we are going to increase the length of exhalation. The practice will be the same, where you inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Again inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Now let us see what are the practices for intermediate practitioners. Here we are going to do retention of the breath inside, which is called Antar Kumbhaka. So whatever the practices we are doing in pranayama or to prepare you for this one, that is Kumbhaka, retention of the breath. So in the intermediate first variation, you inhale deeply through the left nostril, close the left, hold the breath inside, exhaling through the right nostrils. Again start inhaling deeply through your right nostril, close the right nostril, hold the breath inside and exhale through your left nostril. So here we are going to maintain first 1:1:1 ratio, that is inhalation is 1. How much ever you inhale, the same quantity you have to hold the breath and same quantity you have to exhale as well. Again inhale through the right, hold the breath inside, exhale through the left. So variation 2, here we are going to increase the duration of exhalation for the ratio of 2, that is twice the inhalation. You inhale for the counts of 5, hold for 5 inside and then exhale for the counts of 10. When it comes to variation 3, you're going to increase the holding of the breath, whereas the exhalation will be the same. Don't get confused. For example, if you inhale for the counts of 5, you hold for the counts of 10 and you exhale for the counts of 10 as well. When it comes to next variation, you're going to increase one more round in the retention, but the exhalation will be the same. Suppose if you inhale for the counts of 5, you hold the breath for 15 and you exhale for the counts of 10. And the last variation, this is where you have to come to the position that is called 1:4:2. Suppose if you inhale for the counts of 5, hold for the counts of 20 and exhale for the counts of 10. You might have observed these all practices are focusing more on retention of the breath, but whereas exhalation will be the same. When you throw out the carbon dioxide from inside your body, that is when you can take the air inside. So that is why initially we started with 1:2 ratio, so that first you expel the air outside. Once you take out that excess amount of air outside, then you make the space inside, then the fresh air can get inside, and that is how you can increase the retention of the breath. And when it comes to advanced practitioners, here we are going to use bandhas and also we are going to use retention of the breath outside, that is called Bahar Kumbhaka. For example, we inhale for the counts of 5, we hold the breath inside for the counts of 5, we exhale for the counts of 5, again we hold the breath outside for the counts of 5. This is called stage 1, where we hold the breath outside. And the second one, where we use the bandhas. To do this practice, I would suggest you to first learn what are the bandhas. There are 3 bandhas. One is Jalandhara bandha, throat lock. Second one is Udyana bandha, abdominal lock. And the third one is Moola Bandha. So you have to be mastered before you go for advanced practices. And advanced practices are good if you can practice with the guidance of a teacher. That's why I'm here. If you have any questions, any queries, anytime, feel free to ask me. Comment below and let me know how it goes for you. And definitely I'll help you out. Goraksha Samhita, one of the Hatha Yoga texts, says, through proper practices of pranayama, all the kinds of diseases are destroyed. In the same way, through the improper practice of pranayama, all the diseases are generated. So it's very important to practice pranayama in a right way and the right teacher until you are expert. So that is all about for today's practice. Let me know how it goes for you. I have tried to cover almost all the information about the Nadi Shodhana practice, and I'll come up once again with one more new pranayama practice with all the details. Stay tuned, keep practicing pranayama. Yoga is all about consistency. It won't come if you just practice for 1 day or 2 days. Yoga has to be a lifestyle. Keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Namaste, stay blessed and take care.